All right, welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping into some service information you sent our way. It's all about professional toilet installation, and we're zoning in on a company called Pacific Blue Mechanical up in the Chilliwack, British Columbia area.
Exactly. Our mission today is to really treat their website as a kind of case study. We're going to look at why you'd hire a pro for this and, how much water new toilets can actually save you.
Okay, let's unpack this then. My first question is about localization. I mean, why does it matter if the plumber is from Chilliwack? Can't any good plumber just install a toilet?
That's a great question. And what's interesting is that the website really emphasizes this. In places like Chilliwack, a lot of homes are older.
Right.
And older homes often mean, dealing with some pretty unique or just dated plumbing systems. A local expert knows that. They know the infrastructure and they know the specific local building codes.
So they can stop a problem before it even starts.
That's it. It helps you avoid any compliance headaches down the road.
That makes a lot of sense. So, okay, installing a toilet seems pretty straightforward, right? What is the single biggest, most expensive mistake someone can make trying to do this themselves?
It honestly all comes down to one small, very simple component: the wax ring.
The wax ring. I've heard about this.
Yes. If that seal fails, and it can fail by just a tiny bit, you'll get water seeping out onto the toilet.
And you wouldn't even see it.
You won't see it.
Yeah.
Not until it has completely rotted your subfloor, or, even worse, started dripping through the ceiling below. That tiny mistake just turned into a repair job that costs thousands and thousands of dollars.
Wow. So hiring a pro isn't really an expense then. It sounds more like insurance.
It is. It's exactly that. You're buying risk mitigation to make sure the toilet's perfectly level, that it's mounted securely. All that helps it last longer and work better.
And I saw the website mentions a guarantee.
Right. And you usually get a service guarantee with a professional install. That's just, extra peace of mind. It adds to the long-term value.
Okay, let's pivot a bit to the sustainability side of things that Pacific Blue Mechanical's site brings up. What are the big innovations in toilets that help you save water and money?
So we're looking at two main technologies here. First, you've got low-flow toilets.
Okay.
These use about 1.28 gallons per flush, or even less. Now, to give you some perspective, if you have a toilet from before the mid-90s, you could be using anywhere from 3.5 to 7 gallons every single time you flush.
7 gallons. 7 gallons down to 1 point something. That is a huge difference.
It's massive. And then you have the second type, which is the dual flush toilet.
This is the one with the 2 buttons, right?
Exactly. It gives you a choice. There's a small button for liquids, which uses under a gallon, maybe 0.8 gallons. Then there's a larger button for solids, which uses around 1.6.
So you get to be precise about it.
You do. And because of that simple choice, a family can easily save thousands of gallons of water a year. It's a huge deal for your wallet and, of course, for the environment.
So this is a really great insight. It's not just about getting a lower bill. It's about using the right tech and making sure it's installed correctly to really cut down on water use.
So yeah, what the source material is really showing us is that professional installation is an investment. It protects you from that catastrophic financial hit of water damage, and it makes sure you're getting every bit of efficiency from your new fixture.
Okay, so here's the final thought I want to leave you with. If one single household can save thousands of gallons a year with one of these low-flow or dual-flush toilets, just try to imagine the impact. Imagine the effect on the environment and the water infrastructure if even a small fraction of homes across all of BC, beyond Chilliwack, into all the areas they service, made that same change. Now that is a massive collective saving worth thinking about.